Hey everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage. Today we're here with Shawn Preston. How's it going, Shawn?
Doing good.
I see you doing some in-between round maintenance. What you got going on there?
I put the fans on it and the charger, and then I use a vacuum cleaner, a shop vac. That sucks cool air through the motor because we don't have a cooling system on it. So that goes, that's how we cool the motor.
How much temperature you think it drops it in about a 15-minute cool down cycle?
Probably 30 degrees.
About 30 degrees. Is there a target temperature you're shooting to get for, or just
I can get it.
Just as cold as you can get it?
I can get it.
What kind of fuel you guys run?
Renegade alcohol.
How many years you guys been racing? Long time?
Long time. Since probably 1990.
You guys was kind of the first ones on the LS tip, kind of, so to speak. How do you feel about that? You feel proud of some of the accomplishments you guys have had?
The boys, four-time world champions in LSX Real Street. They've set a lot of records. They did have the record for the fastest on the block, but a guy broke it night before last in Georgia. We went a 4:35, and he went a 4:29. So we're going to try to be the first stock LS, stock block to go with the team. But like I said, I'm very proud of my boys.
They did a great job.
Very, very, very proud of them. They give it 110%.
Yeah, you guys got a lot of dedication. I got to give it to you. You guys had a real bad wreck a couple weeks ago, and you guys are right back out here doing it again.
Don't give up.
Yep, no quitting.
That's in everything in life. Don't give up. You know, if you see something, you want it, work overtime, whatever. Our families probably suffers the most out of all of it. The sacrifice that they have to put up with us being gone about every weekend, and then it's a shop till late at night. And like I said, we're a very, very blessed family.
So the people at home know how many hours a week do you think you guys put into the cars?
Probably 80 hours a week. We usually get to shop around 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's 11 or 12 every night before we go home.
What about, do you know about how much it costs per pass to make, roughly?
I don't know in this car. I'm going to say probably $40 to $50 a pass. Frankenstein, the little Mustang, we could do it probably for $10 or $15. It was very, very low maintenance. This car's a little more maintenance than Frankenstein was, but still, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. A whole lot different than our '69 Camaro. We figured it up a couple years ago, and it was $800 a pass.
It's unreal.
This is more our budget.
You guys are next Motorsports. Everybody go out there and check them out. They got some really cool stuff. Got anything else you want to say?
Just thank the Lord for letting us do what we love to do.
Alrighty, I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.